Okay, so again, we have nowhere to go except for what it asks us. It says to select values for k that for which the system will have infinitely many solutions. So that means we want to get this thing here to look like this. Moving the 6 over, you get a 3y equals negative 6x plus 12. If we divide by 3, we get y equals negative 2x plus 4. Now if this and this equation have infinitely many solutions, we already see that the slopes are the same, and if they have infinitely many solutions, it's the same line. So the k value would also have to be equal to 4. If it were parallel, then any of the other numbers except for 4 would be the answer. And finally, with the typo being fixed here, the 4x minus 7, with this equation right here, we want to find values that have infinitely many solutions again. So I want to make sure that this equation really becomes this equation again. So if we subtract the 8x, I get ky equals negative 8x plus 14. And I need a value of k that when I divide by k, a negative 8x turns into a positive 4, and a 14 turns into a negative 7. The only thing you can divide by that'll change the sign is a negative, and 8 divided by 2 would give you that 4. So the answer there is negative 2.